Ever wondered how good your hearing is? Let's test it. We're going to play 3 sounds at 3 different frequencies. Ready? 3, 2, 1. If you have perfect hearing, you should have been able to hear all 3 sounds. But 1 in 6 Americans have trouble hearing the second and third sounds we just played. And it jumps to 1 in 3 people over the age of 65. But even if you haven't quite hit that age, it really is important to catch your hearing loss before it gets worse. Just listen to what these people had to say after their first hearing test with a specialist.
It shocked me how much hearing loss I had, and I didn't know.
50% hearing loss, I was shocked.
This is a health issue. Make no mistake about it.
It gets to the point where you hear people where you're having to say huh all the time and missing out on conversations.
You know what? I have hearing loss. It's okay.
To be honest, I wasn't sure if I needed hearing aids. Plus, I kind of thought that they would give me like a headache or some kind of a hassle to wear. I'm not sure. So after some not so subtle nudges from my wife and my daughter, I decided to give them a try. And I'm telling you, these things changed my life. The hear.com Horizon Mini is this tiny little device that you can't even see when I am putting it in my ear. And there's this really powerful technology packed inside that allows them to process everything you need to hear, deliver it really clearly into your ear. It sounds so much more natural than I was expecting. So listen, 3 things. These things are virtually invisible. They've got this thing called speech focus, which lets you zoom in on the voice of whoever's talking. Like if you're somewhere loud, like in a restaurant or at a football game or something, and you can control everything from your phone. Everything from the volume to that speech focus thing I was talking about. And if I don't know how to do something, I can just message my consultant. And getting in touch with hear.com in the first place was just as easy. I went online, I answered a few simple questions, and then they gave me a call. The rest was seriously, just rest is history. But you don't really even have to take it from me.
It was very easy and very smooth.
It was as easy as you can get. A couple of clicks, he reached out, appointment set up, done. And then when I showed up to the appointment, they had the hearing aids ready to go. They were charged.
Probably one of the best things I've done, and I do regret waiting so long.
If I could do one thing for one person in my life from this point forward, it would be to hand them an opportunity to see and hear what I'm hearing, to see what I saw in the approach from hear.com.
Hear.com, that's the one. They're all over the place. They do a 45-day no-risk money-back guarantee just in case and make everything super easy. So do yourself a favor, do your family a favor, and take care of your hearing loss with these guys. Best decision I ever made.